Hi guys, it's Laura with Tuxedo Planners and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a plan with me and my little brand new Hobonichi Weeks for the week of May 13th through the 19th. And I'll be using a Planner Kate Hobonichi Weeks Kit 132AB that came in the mail, my happy mail the other day. And I'll be bringing in some additional stickers. So let's get started. All right, so first of all, I'm going to lay down my date strips from here. And this is my first time using her kits. And I noticed that there was a couple things missing from them that I usually like to have, which is my weekend banners. And that is really crooked as usual. Anyway, my weekend banners and some script stickers are not included with this kit, so I'm not sure what that's about. There we go. That'll work. And let me put the washi down on the bottom. And I think this is her May kit. Bent it. Oops. One thing I like about these little Hobonichi planners is they're so quick and easy to do. It's like you're kind of in and out with these guys. You don't have to fuss or muss with them too much like you do other planners. Yeah, I'll be right. Alright, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to draw some lines because I want this box, this longer box here, put on here. So I'm going to take my Pigma Micron in, I don't know, PN, whatever PN stands for. You guys see? There we go. And I'm just going to make a quick line here, down page. There we go. And I'm going to put in this long strip. So I like to keep the work schedules on this side of my Hobonichi. So let's see. Good, perfect. Okay, so we got that in. And then I think I'm going to go on and I'm going to use this from my shop, and I'm going to use this little weekend banner. I know it doesn't match, but it's what I got, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this little guy for my weekend banner, and I'm just going to put that right there between for Saturday. And then I'm also going to slip in a couple of little get one of these little Marie stickers, also from my shop. I'm just going to put her down here to kind of cover up that space. I think I kind of got her little leg hanging off the page. I'm going to trim her up here. Yeah, there we go. Just trim her up there. So I'm going to put that there. And I'm probably going to put another one here. Probably mini here. I always like to have a little Disney on my page. Alright, so the other thing, let's see, does she have any, oh good, she does. So I'm going to put a little box on Wednesday. And I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to put payday there. And I think we're just going to use the one from my shop here. Put the little payday there to denounce that's payday for us. And I'm going to put, I think I'm going to put these guys, these are the, okay, I see what these are. These are the break and the, okay. Let me go in and put in some more lines here for a break. I know I like to run a line down this side as well, so I think I'm going to do that. You guys see, oh, there you go. I'm always notorious for getting you guys out of frame, aren't I? We don't want to do that. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to put a line there. Look, I can't draw a straight line either. And then I'm going to take these washi strips here, and I'm going to section off my sections that I use for the week. So we're going to put that here. Oops. I think I want it to go here. Fudge. Fudge, freaking, frackin', flippin', flap. Damn it. Alright, let's see. Come on, Bubby. Let's get this down. Oh, no, that's not right. So, I have to tell you guys this story. You know, I've always got a story to tell. Well, this is my story for you guys today, okay? So listen to this. So, I don't know about you, but in my neck of the woods, we have on Facebook a garage sale group for our area where you can purchase, like, you know, stuff, right? Garage sale stuff. And, oh, here's my top washi. I better put that down. Anyway, so this woman is selling boxes of books for like $5 a box. So I thought, you know what, that's a great deal. And they're romance novels. And the reason why I think it's a great deal is because, I don't know if I've told you guys, but I'm an aspiring author. And romance is my genre that I like to write. But there's one thing about me that I have a little difficulty with, and that's getting my dialogue written. So I was going to get... she was selling these huge boxes of Harlequin romances for like $5 a box, okay, which is a steal. I mean, she must have had like 40 books in a box for $5. I'm all over that deal. And let's see, I think I'm going to put these guys real quick. Okay, so she's selling these. Oh boy, these things are tiny. So she's selling these boxes for like $5 each. So I agreed to meet her. And I was going to meet her today, and I don't live anywhere near her, but I was going to drive over and just meet at this local park, which is fine, except she never showed up. Have you guys ever had that happen to you where somebody just tells you that they're going to show up, you know, that they're going to do this, and they don't? I mean, really? Why can you not just follow through with what you say you're going to do and show up? For heaven's sakes, I waited there. I think I waited for 30 minutes. She wasn't responding to my instant messages on Facebook. Boy, was I ticked. So, in the meantime, to get to the meat of to also get to the story, my grandson gets sick in his car seat. And when I mean he gets sick, I mean the kid gets sick. So, he proceeds to throw up everywhere. Poor little fella. He's 18 months old, right? He hasn't been eating well at all. And he loves to go for a ride with his Grammy, with me. And the poor little guy, he was so freaking sick. I'm going to put this here to put my to-do there. And bless his little soul, he threw up everywhere. So here I am trying to wait at this woman at the park. And I'm getting madder by the minute, mainly because I got a sick kid in the back of my car. And, you know, let's just put it this way. It wasn't smelling all that great in my vehicle at that time. So I waited and I waited. She never showed. Boy, was I pissed. Talk about pissed. I was pissed. People, I was pissed. Because I didn't and it's pouring down rain here in Western North Carolina, and I mean pouring down freaking rain, okay? And here, I think I'm going to put in, my husband has an appointment Monday, doctor's appointment, so I'm going to put in a sticker for that. Anyway, so I was so angry, and then she has the nerve to say that she had just left there. Oh, yeah? No, you hadn't. You hadn't left there. You didn't even arrive there, lady. Don't lie to me. So I had to come home, and my daughter, who's my grandson's mother, is having to rush him in to give him a bath. I'm outside trying to, he also has a doctor's appointment Wednesday, my husband. And so he gives him a bath. She gives him a bath. And you can just tell by his little face that he just feels like crap. Now he's down in his crib sleeping. That's the other thing you know, is when he willingly goes into his crib. He passed out in his little kitty jail, as I call it, because that's what it looks like. It's like a little corral or area that they corral him up in. So when they're doing chores around the house, they don't lose him or whatever. All right, so I'm going to put some of these little Coffee Monster Co. working stickers down. I think I'm going to put these little film guys down. Yep, there we go. I probably will film on Tuesday since my husband's not home. And I will probably film on Thursday because I think he's also working. So I'll get some filming in there. And then I'll probably do a couple of those, but let's see. All right, so I need to put, excuse me. So to make a long story short, I was not a happy girl this morning. I've got some spare little quarter boxes from this Mandy Lynn Plans, and I'm just going to put one here so I can put a script sticker in there for my little things sticker here. Then I need some, either an ombre box here or, let's see what she's got. I might be able to. I think these are supposed to be like habit trackers here. In fact, I think those are habit trackers. So I'll put these down here at the bottom. Anyway, so the poor little mite's in his room, in his bed, sick. I'm mad at that lady. And then she has the audacity to say, oh, I'll meet you in so-and-so, which is, you know. I'm like, lady, honey, that train's done run. You can keep them, those books, for all I care. I don't care if they're $5. I am not happy. You could have just told me that you didn't want to be there. You didn't have to just not show up, you know? I consider that all kinds of rude, but that's me. She can keep her books, is all I got to say. And I'm out in the rain trying to clean up my van that has got puke all over it. I had to like hose down the child's car seat. It's just one of those days, guys. One of those days. You know, I raised my kids, but I'm still having a grandbaby. At least I didn't have to bathe him. At least his mother did that. All right, so that's for my weather. I've got a couple things here. I've got my little weekends there. I've put my 3 habit trackers down here because I will track my little habits there. Let me raise up Marie because I got Marie's ear on it. There we go. Fix Marie's little ear there. I don't really have a lot that I can put down here for right now. I need some boxes here for this. Let me see. I may just put down one of these ombre check boxes. I think this yellow one will match. These are from Wonton in a Million. This is these little ombre check boxes that I have. And right now they're fitting pretty good in this little Hobonichi. So we're going to put that down. And then I'm going to put another one down here. Probably going to do this yellow one. Because this pink really doesn't match. So I'm going to put that there. Nope. Put it up some. Alright, so I'm going to put that there, and then I will need to go in and fill the rest of this out. I've got a couple of these little tiny ones left, and I do want to put them down, even though I'm not sure what I'm doing. So I'm going to save these guys, and I have some of these little strips. So her Hobo Weeks, my last opinion of these kids, they're cute, but they need to have more. And I'm not a no white space sticker person. I don't have to have stickers everywhere, but I would like to have like a little bit of script and some other things like this, but that would be nice. I'm going to put a day off here for my husband. And let's see, and give him another day off here on Wednesday for his other appointment. Then I'll write the schedule in there. Got payday down, 2 appointments. And let's see, put a little trash can down for Sundays as trash day, trash night. I will put, see if there's anything else here that I can use. Oh, fold clothes. I generally do that on Monday. And yep. All right, guys, I think that's going to be it. This is a pretty short and sweet plan with me as I do them. Can't use anything else there. All right, so in the end, this is what it looks like, guys. It's pretty minimal, and I'll go in and I'll fill it in, and probably gonna just upload twice. Maybe I will put a little. Probably do Instagram. Maybe I'll do it. I'll put the Instagram on Sunday and get some Instagramming done. All right, so. All right, guys, so if you like what you see and my comment, please think about subscribing to my channel. That's below. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload. Take it easy, guys. Bye.